Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, ladies and gentlemen. I'm very great to be with you in this occasion in the 8th of Asian Education Symposium 2023. I am Tustiyana Windiyani from the study program of primary education in the School of Postgraduate Program, Pakuan University. I conducted the research along with my colleagues, Reishi Agani and Rinalia. Let me begin my presentation of research in the title, The Effect of Disciplinary Culture on Students' Learning Independence. The background of this research can be described as follows. First, independent learning is an important element learning. The second, students are not confident in doing assignment and always depend on friends. And the third, student with independent learning is as high as 49, as many as 24 students, while 51%, as many as 26 students have less independent learning. And the last, students do not submit their assignments on time. For these elements are the coverage of the background of our research. Let's go on to the method of study. The first is quantitative with the causal approach. Ladies and gentlemen, we were trying to cover the population as many as 104 of fifth grade students, while the sampling technique applies random sampling using formula of Taro Yaman. And we decided to take as many as 51 students of 104 populations. The last is that discipline as variable X and independence learning is as variable Y. Coming up next, let me show you the results and discussions as shown in the table and descriptions. Based on the answer to the 30 questions on the independent learning by 51 students, it is obtained that the cumulative independent learning variable Y is the 5146, with the highest score 127, and the lowest is 78, with the mean score 100.9, and the range score is 49. The median score is 100, and standard deviation is 9.2136, and the variance is 84.89. As for variable X, based on the answer to the 30 questions on disciplinary culture by 51 students, it is obtained that the highest score is 124, the lowest 82, and the mean score is 100.04. The rate is 42, and the median is 104, and the modes is 103, and standard deviation is 9.9115, and the variance is 98.238, and the total score is 5359. This is the normal result according to the result of the normality test using by Lilliefors test. And this implies that the null hypothesis equals LT test lower than L table, which means that the estimated default error is normal. And this is the effect of variable X and on variable Y. based on the result of the calculation of the regression questions and can be shown in the diagram. Yeah, talking about the statistical calculation. Is the result implies the student discipline has a significant effect on their independent learning. And the last is the summary. The result of the study show that there is a positive and significant effect of discipline on independent learning of the fifth grade students of Empang Elementary School to Bogor City in the odd semester school year 2022 and 2023. The regression question shows that y equals 63.08 plus 0.36x, implying that every rise of discipline will affect the independent learning as high as 0.36. The school disciplinary culture contribute to the improvement of the student learning independence as shown by the coefficient correlation as high as 0.39 with the determination coefficient of 0.15. It indicates that the rise and fall of student learning independence will be influenced by the discipline as high as 15%, whereas the rest 85% is influenced by family and school environments. So, there is a positive and significant effect of the discipline and on student learning independence. I think that's all my presentation. Thank you very much for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.